मेरे जज्बात को झंडा बना दो, मेरे सांस को गीत सुना दो, हर कदम को कदमगाह बना दो, हर पल को भारत का वादा बना दो।
मेरी नजरों को सपना दिखा दो, मेरे दिल को वीरता सिखा दो, हर खून के कतरे को प्राण बना दो, हर धड़कन को हिंदुस्तान बना दो। Good morning, free India, and a glorious Independence Day to each and every heart gathered here beneath the sky that wears our tricolor with pride. Today is not merely another date on the calendar, but a living testament to courage, unity, and sacrifice. It is my honor to extend the warmest welcome to our distinguished chief guest of the day, our revered Regional Director, Sir, Dr. Keshab Chandra Satpathy.
We are equally privileged to have with us our revered Principal Ma'am, Dr. Sujata Sahu, our respected academic supervisors, our dedicated faculty members, and of course, all my vibrant and spirited friends whose presence makes this occasion truly alive. I am Nikhil Kumar Das,
And I am Rishita Mishra.
and it's our privilege to take you all through today's proceedings.
79 years ago, on this exact day, as the dawn broke, the first light of the sun kissed our tricolor, and somewhere in that golden glow lived the dreams of those who once marched barefoot on burning roads for our freedom. And how can we forget these lines? ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी.
And now we have our tiny tots from standard 3, 4, and 5 with a soulful rendition to fill our hearts with national pride and unity. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome these young voices of DAV, mentored by the musical maestros of our school, Purna Chandra Swai sir and Rupak Parida sir, to the stage. was a melody woven with innocence and pride, where every note carried the fragrance of patriotism and every voice echoed the dreams of a free India.
Indeed. And now it is my profound honor to invite our esteemed chief guest of the day, our revered regional director, Sir Dr. Keshav Chandra Satpathy, whose wisdom and stature inspire us all, and address this august gathering with his invaluable words. Sir, may we please have the privilege of hearing from you? I would like to request our first officer, Dr. Sarbadaman Singh, sir, to escort RD sir to the stage.
Good morning, India, and good morning, Devians. My heartiest greeting to all of you on the 9th Independence Day of our country, India. At the outset, I congratulate the choir group, those who sang the patriotic song in a different way, Jai Bharat. After 79 years of our independence, let us give the tribute to the people, those who have dedicated their life and sacrificed their family comfort for the freedom movement of this country, which we are enjoying today. Have you ever thought the people, those who have sacrificed their family, those who have sacrificed their comfort, those who have sacrificed their materialistic feelings and went and joined in the struggle of independence? My dear young friends, you are the future of this country. What dream you see today, that may happen tomorrow. Because with the people, those who are in the helm of affairs of the country, starting from your government, your teachers, your administrators, everybody will honestly hand over the legacy to all of you. Ask this question to you yourself, whether we are capable enough to run this country. I am very sure that you are more capable than all of us, because our future is very bright. Just go back in the history, ask yourself, because you enjoy when your teachers say, teach you the history that kings and sultans were leading a very beautiful life. Indeed, so many soldiers are there, so many people, anything they want, they can do it. But it was a miserable life of all the kings, all the sultans, those who have ruled us in the past. Yes or no? No. You will not agree with me. Let me explain this thing. The life of a king, how it was. No AC is there, no traveling was so easy because they have to use elephant or horse to move from one place to other. And those who have see that people how they go in the elephant and horse, it is very miserable. You will get a lot of pain if you go for a distance of 10 kilometers. But now you have AC vehicles, AC cars, you are moving. Under the hot sun, they have to walk, but you are not doing that. All the comforts are available in your house. which was not available to the kings and sultans. So I say, your life is better than the lives of the kings and sultans. The comfort zone I am talking about. So that's why I am very sure your future is better than our futures. So my dear friends, let us not forget the people, those who have sacrificed their life for our comfort, for our freedom, for our speech of right. But most of the times, anybody wants to talk anything, they talk. And we are very busy in talking against others without knowing anything. Because you might have seen a lot of discussion is made on the tea shop. Those who do not know ABC of the budget, ABC of the administration, they give very beautiful comments also. And when I'm talking that, I'm referring to the Operation Sindoor. It was a successful venture by our government, our nation. Without entering to the enemy's land, they compelled the enemy to surrender. And this is only not giving an indication that we have defeated our neighboring country. It gives a strong message to the world. India is nowhere less than other developed countries. Because the most powerful countries of the world, now they are afraid of your country. So what we are thinking, India is not like that. Within the 79 years of experience, innovations, they have developed like anything. And as you know, many times you might have gone, we are the largest fourth economy in the world. This is a significant direction towards the future of this country. In Sindoor, the weapons which we have developed by ourselves with the help of some other countries proved to be the most powerful weapons in the world. Even the powerful weapon what America has. Even China was afraid of about our creative approach, our innovations, which we are inculcating now in your course also. Because each child of the school should be innovative, should be creative, should think differently, and should think something new. And now you might have heard that America is putting a lot of tax. Do you know the reason? The reason because they want the control over the agriculture, fisheries, and milk. And you know that our country is an agriculture-based country. Many people, they depend on agriculture. If the America will do the business, the agriculturists of the country, their backbone will be weakened. They will be weak. And similarly in the milk and fisheries. In the milk, India put one condition that you have to write on the milk product that it is purely veg, which America didn't agree. When the negotiation table they were negotiating, India put the condition that as most of the people in India, they take milk, and it is in very high demand, you have to give a certificate on each milk product that it is purely veg. The America was reluctant to give this certificate. Do you know why? because the cows of America are fed with some non-veg things. Because so that they can give better milk, a lot of proteins are there in non-veg, that you know, already your teachers might have taught you. So my dear friends, you are the future of this country. If you do not understand, then try to understand, and I will ask definitely all the teachers to take some classes on PQ, that is patriotic quotient. But sometimes when Sindoor war was fought, many people they say it is a great failure. Why government stopped the Sindoor operation? So my dear friends, if always we will go on fighting, who is losing the battle? You or me? You are losing, simultaneously I am using. And my economy will be weak gradually. Yes or no? But when external attack is there, we should join hands and oppose it. In your family that happens. Indeed, you have a lot of dispute among yourself. You are shouting at mama or papa or your brother or somebody. But if some outsider come and attack you, you all join hands and oppose it. Yes or no? Isn't it? So that should be the feelings of all Indians staying in this country, those who are proudly declaring themselves as the true citizen of this country. No criticism, because many criticism was made to the defense personalities also. Because the defense personality, those who are guarding your boundaries, those who are giving you to sleep without any tension in the night in the house, we should salute them. And one request on this particular day, when you see any defense person, tell them Jai Hind. Wish them Jai Hind. And that will be the greatest reward from all of us to the soldiers, those who are sacrificing their life to give us comfort here inside the country. My dear friends, another thing, after 10 years you will find the history will be rewritten. The geopolitical map of this country will be totally changed. And the dollar, which is dominating in the world market, now it will be out of the market. I once predicted this thing, that examination will be conducted with books and copies. Now the CBSE has circulated to all these schools. In the examination, students can take books and copies. You can take books and copies. Then how will measure your strength? The question pattern will be asked in such a way that if you find the answer from the book, you will never get in any page of your book or notebooks. The quality of the question will be different than which you are appearing before. But directly you will not get the answer of any question from the book or notebooks. So, this is my prediction that the world economy or the geopolitical system of the world will be changed within next 10 years. With this, I wish you all the best and thank you everybody, because the beautifully the self-defense department arranged all the cadets in a beautiful way, escorted us to this dais, and you are silently sitting. That is the beauty of this function. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring and enlightening words. Your message resonates deeply with the very essence of this day. reminding us of the values that must guide us as citizens of a free and proud nation. We assure you, sir, that we will carry forward the rich legacy handed over to us with true spirit and soul. Thank you so much, sir.
ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ହେଉଛି ମଣିଷର ସବୁଠାରୁ ମହାନ ଅଧିକାର ଏବଂ ସେଥିରେ ଆମର ଜୀବନର ସର୍ବୋଚ୍ଚ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନର ସଫଳତା ରହିଛି. With those words etched into our hearts, it is now my pleasure to invite the leader of the House of Vibrance, Maitri, Ms. Ankita Priyadarshini Nayak, to share her thoughts and reflections on this glorious occasion. Over to you, Ankita.
ଆଗଭର ହୋଇ ଜାଗି ଉଠିଥିଲେ ଇଂରେଜ ବିରୋଧ ପାଇଁ ଆଗଭର ହୋଇ ଜାଗି ଉଠିଥିଲେ ଇଂରେଜ ବିରୋଧ ପାଇଁ ଅନେକ ସାହସେ ଅନେକ ଶାସନେ ଦେଖାଇଥିଲେ ରେ ଭାଇ ବରେଣ୍ୟ ସଭାପତି ମହୋଦୟ ସମ୍ମାନୀୟ ପ୍ରଧାନାଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ପୂଜ୍ୟସ୍ପଦ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଓ ଶିକ୍ଷୟିତ୍ରୀ ବୃନ୍ଦ ଏବଂ ଏଠାରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ସମସ୍ତ ଅତିଥିମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୋ ଭକ୍ତିଭୂତ ପ୍ରଣାମ. ଏହା ବ୍ୟତୀତ ଏଠାରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ମୋ ବଡ଼ ଓ ସାନ ସମସ୍ତ ଭାଇ ଓ ଭଉଣୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଜି 79ତମ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ଦିବସର ମୋର ହାର୍ଦ୍ଦିକ ଶୁଭେଚ୍ଛା ଏବଂ ଶୁଭକାମନା. ତତ୍ପଶ୍ଚାତ ଆଜି ଭଳି ଏହି ଶୁଭ ଦିନରେ ମୋତେ କିଛି କହିବାକୁ ମିଳିଥିବାରୁ ମୁଁ ନିଜକୁ ଧନ୍ୟ ମନେ କରୁଅଛି. ମୋ ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମୁଁ ଏହା କେବଳ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ ଯେ ଆମେମାନେ କେଉଁ ସହଜରେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ଲାଭ କରିନାହୁଁ. ଆମର ଏହି ଶସ୍ୟ ଶ୍ୟାମଳ ଭାରତ ମାଆକୁ ଯେଉଁ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ସଂଗ୍ରାମୀମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ନିରନ୍ତର ଉଦ୍ୟମରୁ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ଶ୍ରୀଚରଣରେ ମୋର କୋଟି କୋଟି ପ୍ରଣାମ ଅଟେ. ଆମେ ତ ଏହା ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛେ ଯେ ଆମେ କେଉଁ ସହଜରେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ଲାଭ କରିନାହୁଁ. ଆମକୁ ଏହି ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆମ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ସଂଗ୍ରାମୀମାନେ ନିଜ ଜୀବନ ବଦଳରେ. ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ, ସୁଭାଷ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ବୋଷ, ନେତାଜୀ ସୁଭାଷ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ବୋଷ, ବାଲ ଗଙ୍ଗାଧର ତିଲକ, ଲାଲା ଲାଜପତ ରାୟ ଭଳି କେତେ ଯେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ସଂଗ୍ରାମୀମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯାହା ତାଙ୍କ ଜୀବନ ସଂଘର୍ଷ କରି ଆମକୁ ଏହି ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ଦେଇଅଛନ୍ତି. ତାହା ଛଡ଼ା ଭଗତ ସିଂ, ক্ষুদিরাম বোস এবং মঙ্গল পাণ্ডে ভଳି কেতে যে স্বাধীনতা সংগ্রামী মানে অଛନ୍ତି ଯେଉଁମାନେ খুশি খুশি সেই ফাঁসি খুঁটারে মধ্য ছড়ি যাইଛନ୍ତି. ଆମେ ଆଜି ଯେଉଁ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ଭୋଗ କରୁଛେ ତାହା ହେଉଛି ସେହି ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ସଂଗ୍ରାମୀ ମାନଙ୍କର ସେହି ମହାପୁରୁଷ ଓ ସେହି ମହାମଣିଷ ମାନଙ୍କର ନିରନ୍ତର ଉଦ୍ୟମ ଏବଂ ଆତ୍ମବଳିଦାନର ଫଳ. ତତ୍ପଶ୍ଚାତ 79 ବର୍ଷ ତ ବିତି ଯାଇଛି ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତାକୁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଦୁଃଖ ଲାଗେ ସେ ମହାପୁରୁଷ ମାନଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଏ ଯାବତ ମଧ୍ୟ ପୂରା ହୋଇପାରି ନାହିଁ. ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏହା ତ ଜାଣୁ ଯେ ସେମାନେ ଆମ ପାଇଁ କେତେ କ'ଣ କରିସାରିଛନ୍ତି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏକ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ଦେଶର ସ୍ୱାଧୀନଚିତ୍ତ ନାଗରିକ ହିସାବରେ କ'ଣ ଏହା ଆମ କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ ନୁହେଁ ତାଙ୍କର ସେହି ରାମ ରାଇଜକୁ ଆମେ ପୁଣି ବନେଇବା? ଶେଷରେ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଏତେ ଆଶା କରେ ଯେ ଆଜିର ଏହି ମଙ୍ଗଳ ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତ ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ମନରେ ଏକ ନୂତନ ଉନ୍ମାଦନ ଜାଗ୍ରତ କରିଥାଉ. ସ୍ନେହ, ମମତା ଓ ଭାତୃତ୍ୱର ବନ୍ଧନ ଆମ ସମସ୍ତ ଭାରତବାସୀଙ୍କୁ ଏକଜୁଟ କରି ରଖିଥାଉ. ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏହି ଜାତୀୟ ପତାକା ତଳେ ଶପଥ ନେବା ଦେଶ ଓ ଜାତିର ମାନ ବଜାୟ ରଖିବା. ଏତିକି କହି ମୁଁ ଅଙ୍କିତା ପ୍ରିୟଦର୍ଶିନୀ ନାୟକ ମୈତ୍ରୀ ସଦନ ତରଫରୁ ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଅର୍ପଣ କରୁଅଛି. ଜୟ ହିନ୍ଦ, ଜୟ ଭାରତ.
Thank you, Ankita, for your heartfelt words, brimming with love for our motherland and hope for its future.
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. With that vision of our golden land in mind, I now invite Bishnu Priya Mahakud, the dedicated leader of the House of Prosperity, Gargi, to inspire us all with her thoughts on this momentous day. The stage is all yours, Bishnu Priya.
सुप्रभात. आज के सम्मानित मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय क्षेत्रीय निदेशक डॉक्टर केशव चंद्र सतपति, माननीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, सम्मानित शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, मैं सभी को सादर नमन प्रस्तुत करती हूँ. मैं विष्णु प्रिया महाकुड, 11वीं कक्षा की छात्रा और गार्गी सदन की लीडर, आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक बधाइयाँ देना चाहती हूँ. आज का दिन हमारे लिए बहुत खास है क्योंकि 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमारे भारत ने एक लंबे संघर्ष और बलिदान के बाद आज़ादी प्राप्त की थी। ये आज़ादी हमें अपने वीर स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने अपने मेहनत, साहस और त्याग से मिली है। आज का दिन हमारे लिए सिर्फ एक तारीख नहीं बल्कि एक जज्बा है, एक एहसास है और एक गर्व का पल है। आज के दिन हमें यह याद आता है कि आज़ाद होना सिर्फ आज़ाद हवा में सांस लेना नहीं होता, बल्कि अपने मातृभूमि के लिए, अपने भारत के लिए ईमानदारी, जिम्मेदारी और समर्पण के साथ काम करना भी होता है। हमारे वीर स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने अपने सब कुछ त्याग कर दिया था हमें आज़ाद करने के लिए, इसीलिए इनका बलिदान हमें हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए। महात्मा गांधी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, बाल गंगाधर तिलक और अनगिनत वीरों का सिर्फ एक ही सपना था, एक स्वतंत्र भारत। इसीलिए आज के दिन हम सभी भारतवासियों को ये संकल्प लेना चाहिए कि हम अपने देश के लिए एकता, सम्मान और विकास के लिए एक और बहुत मेहनत करेंगे। हम स्वच्छता, शिक्षा और ईमानदारी के साथ हमारे भारत को और भी आगे बढ़ाएंगे। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि जहाँ आसमान झुके और जहाँ हर बच्चा मुस्कुराए, जहाँ आसमान झुके और जहाँ हर बच्चा मुस्कुराए, आओ चलो ऐसा भारत हम सब मिलकर बनाएं, क्योंकि सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। जय भारत, जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Bishnupriya, for your stirring and heartfelt words. Your reflections have added another ray of pride to today's celebrations.
When our glorious Operation Sindoor made all of us proud, where our mighty and brave soldiers held our national flag high, we bow our reverence in them. जहाँ कदम तिरंगे की शान में उठते हैं, वहाँ हर ताल एक गीत ए वतन बन जाता है। ये नृत्य वीरों के सपनों का संग्राम है, जो हर दिल में स्वतंत्रता का प्रकाश जगाता है। With that spirit, let us welcome our little stars from standard 4 and 5 to present Jasn Hai Watan Ka, a dance brimming with the joy of freedom. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
अरे माँ बस करो, कितना खिलाओगी?
खा ले बेटा, वैसे भी मेरे हाथ का बना हुआ खाना पूरे साल में एक ही बार तो खाता है।
भैया इस बार 2 राखी बनवा लो, पिछले रक्षाबंधन पे भी नहीं थे आप।
मेरी प्यारी सी बहन को मेरी उम्र लग जाए। अल्ले अल्ले अल्ले, मेरी प्यारी गुड़िया।
हेलो हेलो कैप्टन, आपकी छुट्टी रद्द की गई है। आपको जल्द से जल्द सरहद पे रिपोर्ट करना होगा।
यस सर, जय हिंद।
मैं ना लौटा आने वाले साल, जो मेरी वर्दी बोले मेरा हाल, तो नैना अश्क न हो ये समझना, मैं हूँ मजबूर नैना अश्क न हो, नैना अश्क न हो। ना झुका है ना झुकने देंगे, आजाद तिरंगा हमारा। खाते हैं कसम इस माटी की, इस पे जान लुटा देंगे। हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं। हम एक हैं, एक रहेंगे, ना बटे हैं ना बटने देंगे। हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं। बहती है जहाँ यमुना गंगा, है हिमालय ताज जिसका, बहती है जहाँ यमुना गंगा। हम हैं शांति के रखवाले, दुनिया की नजर हम पे है। आन बान है सेना जिससे दुश्मन भी घबराता, पर दम है किसमें जो हमको कभी ललकारे। हम कहाँ है पीछे हटने वाले, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं। हम एक हैं, एक रहेंगे, ना बटे हैं ना बटने देंगे। हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं। जमीन से हम सर उठा के चले, हमें हंस के बिता कर माँ। लाल है हम तेरे, याद करना हमें, ढोलता शिव जा कर माँ। ओ माई तेरी मिट्टी तो लाए तुम, ये दुनिया छोड़ के आ जाए। तू जो आवाज लगाए तो तिरंगा होड़ के आ जाए। ओ माए तेरे काम नहीं आए तो फिर देख हर जवानी है, बहाए खून तेरी खातिर जितना गंगा में पानी है माँ। अगर जान जाती है तो जाए जाए रे माई, कभी तेरी आन न जाए रे। जला देंगे अपनी हम चिताए तुझ पे ओ माई, कभी कोई आँच न आए रे। तू मेरे लिए मैं तेरे लिए, तेरे ही रहे मरे या जिए, तेरे ही तक पे गाए जाते जाते माई रे। ओ माई धीरे धीरे लोरिया गा, जैसे तेरी गोद में आई है माँ, आएगी ऐसी मीठी नींद कहाँ। कदमों में तेरे हम हुए हैं फना, भाई तेरी मेहर जो हमको चुना, होती है हर एक वर्दी शहीद कहाँ। मैं ये दुआ तो हर सिपाही रब से करता है, जैसे हम मरे हैं देश पर यूं कौन मरता है। हाय मेरी खुश नसीबी है ये माए, तेरी गलियों में हवा मेरी रात रुलाए रे। तू मेरे लिए मैं तेरे लिए, तेरे ही रहे मेरे जिए, तेरे ही बैक पे गाए जाते जाते पाए ही रहे। ओ माई तेरी जितनी बुलाए तू, ये दुनिया छोड़ के आ जाए, तू जो हाथ लगाए तो तिरंगा मोड़ के आ जाए। ओ मैं तेरे काम नहीं आए तो फिर देख हर जवानी है बहाए खून के ही खातिर, चिकना गंधा में पानी बेबा।
What a power-packed and emotional performance it was, where every step spoke the language of devotion and every movement echoed the heartbeat for our motherland. I'm sure that every heart and mind is filled with the patriotic fervor with each beat of the songs and the moves of the performers. Let's have a thunderous round of applause for the performers as well as their mentors, Shri Debabrata Das Sir, Madam Rashmita Rajanandani and Madam Shifali Pati.
In the garden of liberty, every voice is a flower and every thought a fragrance of freedom. With that sentiment, I now invite Rudra Rudraksha Behera, the leader of the House of Hope, Apala, to come forward and share his thoughts on this proud day.
A country's greatness lies in its undying ideals of love and sacrifice. Good morning, one and all present over here. Esteemed Chief Guest of the Day, Revered Regional Director Sir Dr. Keshav Chandra Satpathy, Honorable Principal Madam, respected teachers, supervisors, and my fellow DAvians. I am Rudra Rudraksha Behera, the Apara House leader, standing for you to present few lines on this significant day. Today, we gather here to celebrate the Independence Day of our great nation, India. Independence Day is not just a date in history. It is the heartbeat of India, a reminder of every drop of blood, every tear of sacrifice, and every unshaken voice that roared for freedom. India didn't get this freedom in a single day. It was earned through years of struggle, sacrifice, and courage led by the legends like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sarojini Naidu, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and many more unsung heroes. But are we truly honoring this freedom? 78 years to freedom. We live in the country that is the largest democracy, the land of innovation, diversity, spirituality, and strength. And yet, true independence will only come when every child is educated, every woman feels safe, and every citizen takes responsibility, not just rights. So, let's not wait for a leader. Let's become the leaders. Let's not complain about the change. Let's be the change. Let's not just salute the flag. Let's stand for what it represents: unity, justice, and strength. Freedom is not just a right, it is a responsibility. On this day, it reminds us that true patriotism means putting forward the nation's future above our personal gain. As a youth of the nation, we should remember that our freedom was built on ideals, not just iron and blood, but dreams, values, and the power of unity. Our generation is not powerless. We are more powerful beyond measure. With knowledge, with purpose, with courage, we are the future of India, and the future is now. In the words of Swami Vivekananda, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Let this Independence Day not end with a speech, but with a spark to be better citizens, kinder humans, and proud Indians. Before I end my speech, a salute to all the spirited soldiers of Operation Sindoor who have spread the message across the globe that nothing can be compromised when it comes to the glory of our nation. Nation is always first. So be proud, my friends. Be brave, be strong, be Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Thank you, Rudra, for your eloquent words and the vision you have shared for our nation's future.
Sangachodham, Samvadadvam, Samvo Manamsi Janatam. Now, I would like to invite the leader of the House of Sacrifice, Sikata, Suryans Raut, to inspire us with his words on this auspicious day. Over to you, Suryans.
Himalayam Samarabhya Chavat Hindu Saravaram Tam Deva Nirmitang Deshang Hindustanam Parachakyate. Manyam Mukhya Atiti आंचलिका निर्देशक डॉक्टर केशव चंद्र सत्पति महोदय, वरेण्य उपस्थित अध्यक्ष महोदय तथैव सर्वे गुरुवे च अहम सूर्यांश भुवतां पूर्वतः स्थित्वा स्वाधीनता दिवसे किञ्चित् वक्तुं कामोऽस्मि। किं वा वदाम्यहं केवलं भारतस्य परिचय प्रासङ्गे एतदेव वक्तुं शक्यते यत् उत्तरं यत् समुद्रस्य हिमाद्रश्चैव दक्षिणं वर्षं तद् भारतानां भारती यत्र सन्तति। हिमालयात् आरभ्य दक्षिण अकुमारीं पर्यन्तं सुजल सुफल भारतवर्षस्य सन्तानं रूपेण आत्मानं गौरवं मन्ये। भारतं किं भारतं स्वाधीनं वा? अस्माकं पूर्वज बहुश्रमेण 47-19 संवत्सरी देशं स्वाधीनता कृतवन्तः। तेषां महापुरुषाणां मन्त्रेण दीक्षितं भूते यदापि भारतस्य पूर्णविकासं कर्तुं पार्यामः तर्हि स्वाधीनता पूर्णविकासः भविष्यति इति मान्यमहे। अद्यम् अगस्त मासस्य 15 दिनाङ्के देशस्य कोणे कोणे त्रिरङ्गध्वजा उडयमानाः सन्ति। उपरि रक्तवर्ण अस्माकं यतिहं स्मारयति, अन्ते हरितवर्ण समृद्धे सूचयति, मध्ये श्वेतवर्ण शान्तिवत् प्रयस्यति। विशेष्य किमपि न वदामि इति उक्तं विरमामि। जयत भारतं, जयत संस्कृतम्।
Thank you, Suryans, for your powerful, motivational, and inspiring words.
It is now my privilege to invite our revered Principal Ma'am to address this august gathering. Ma'am, your words have always been a source of wisdom and inspiration. May I request our Scout Master, Mr. Pradeep Panda sir, to escort Principal Ma'am to the stage.
Esteemed Chief Guest of the 79th Independence Day, the Regional Director of Devi Institutions, Odisha, esteemed parents, colleagues, and my dear lovely students. On this 79th Independence Day of our nation, I extend my warm greetings and felicitation to each one of you present here. Dear students, if you look at this year's theme, which says, honoring freedom, inspiring the future, and Naya Bharat. Just when we started the program, we just honored the freedom when the chief guest unfurled the national flag. When the national anthem was sung, there was a spirit of patriotism everywhere. There was respect for our nation. There was respect for our tricolor. The second theme, if you see, inspiring the future. The chief guest has inspired all of you, talked about patriotic quotient, talked about unity, spoke to all of you how to give respect to your nation. To the colleagues, he inspired to create an awareness about the patriotic quotient and has inspired all of us how to uphold our nation. Nation is always first. Again, we have issued a notice yesterday that, dear children, all of you flag the national anthem in your home along with your parents or whosoever is present, and take a picture and send it to your class WhatsApp group. That is Har Ghar Tiranga. Let each one of us take pride in our national flag. Because it is not just a flag, it means a lot to all of us. Each and every aspect of the flag carries some messages or the other. So I hope many of you must have hoisted the national flag in your home or in front of your home. And those who have not done, please do so when you go back to your home. That is the way how the teachers and the parents inspire the young future, the young generation to take care of your nation. And the last line is Naya Bharat. That Naya Bharat is you, my dear student. You are going to take care of the nation now. India is 78 years old. Right from its crawling stage, it has grown up and now it has reached 78 years. And those who have grandparents at home, dear children, you must have seen, they are the ones who need lots of love and care and affection, lots of time, lots of respect, gratitude and regard. Because without them, none of us would have existed here. In the same way, we have handed your ancestors generation after generation, sacrificing their lives, sacrificing the family, which was clearly depicted in the patriotic dance, which was showcased in front of all of you, has been shown to all of you just now. So that requires a lot of care, a lot of respect, and new things which would come up, right from the nascent stage till now, from a developing country to the developed country. India has reached the peak. Now, how you can carry forward and make it into a Naya Bharat That is up to you, my dear, dear children. We are here to inspire you. We are here to tell the stories of how we achieved the freedom, how the martyrs, the great freedom fighters have sacrificed their lives, and how all of you to get inspired from those stories, from those folklores. Dear children, I would urge upon each one of you, the moment you enter your school gate, take a moment to stand near the national flag. Look at the national flag. Feel the national flag. Think in which better way, in your own way, you can do something for the nation. Never ever think you are too young to do anything. Everything starts from a seedling to a great banyan tree. So if something may spark you any day, that might become a big thing in the future. But if we are not going to think, no ideas will come. If we are not going to dream, nothing can happen. Every day you come to school, you learn something, and you go back home. There's a routine with all the children. But think differently. Think out of the box. Try to be somebody unique among the rest. In that way only, you can grow, your country can grow, and you can make everyone proud. So with this, I once again thank the chorus group, the dance group, which performed so beautifully in front of us. And I thank the teachers, those who have trained them. And also, I would like to thank the parents who have sent the children here, and the dear, dear children who have come to be a part of this 79th Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Bande Utkala Janani.
For your guiding words and for reminding us of the values that must light our path as responsible citizens of our nation. Truly said, nation is first, always first. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Gratitude will preserve the essence of every moment and honor the hearts that made it possible. With that, I now request First Officer Dr. Saugataman Singh Sir to propose the vote of thanks. Sir, please.
A very good morning to the august conglomeration of patriotic minds. I deem it my pleasure and pride to propose the vote of thanks to our esteemed dignitary, Dr. K.C. Satpathy, in the momentous occasion of 79th Independence Day. In the very beginning, I express my sincere gratitude to the chief guest of the day, Dr. K.C. Satpathy. Sir, you are the founder principal of this school, iconic figure of all the DAV institutions of Odisha, mentor of all the staff of DAV Chandrasekharpur. Whatever you have predicted earlier in this podium, most of the time we have marked CBSE applied it later. CC system, gradation system, evaluation system, what you have predicted related to education, that the CBSE applied in our country later. Just today you have predicted, after 10 years, a Naya Bharat would be there. That time maybe BRICS rupees or the Indian rupee may take the place of dollar. Your message of Jai Hind to the students, that we will carry out in our daily life. I extend a warm and sincere gratitude to Dr. Sujata Sahu, esteemed principal of our institution. Ma'am, your PQ, patriotic quotient, that will inculcate the values among our young minds and one day that we will, our dream of Naya Bharat will be come into true. We express our deepest gratitude to the school choir group, Joy Bharat, and school dance group. What a patriotic fervor. हम भारत की हैं. Yoga, classical, modern, with all type of Indian tradition and heritage based dance. That's the great message on the eve of 79th Independence Day. We express our sincere gratitude to all the departments, those who are concerned: Physical Education Department, Function Department, Civil Defense Department, Art, Music and Dance Department, School Cabinet, all the Group D employees, cadets, students, and those who are directly or indirectly involved to make 79th Independence Day celebration a grand success. Thank you, everybody.